I have an alcohol tether. After this, I had asked for it.
No. I'm asking you right now, are you on probation or parole?
No.
Adam Atala, 260-647-736.
Your Honor, Roman Fitzgerald, you have Mr. Miller.
All right, you're going to plead to impeding
That's correct. Yeah, that's all that is.
to that charge on his behalf, responsible or not responsible? All right, he's got to slow down here. All right, I mean, it's getting a little 185, and I'll give him till the second. Okay, is that enough time?
Probably 2 weeks.
All right, I'll give him till the 9th, but tell him to slow down. Okay, thank you very much.
Judge.
Who do you have?
I'm here, Mr. Fioretti.
Who do you have, Mr. Mays?
I've got Jalen Ross and Michael Wright.
All right, give me 1 second. I'm going to take Fioretti first. Anthony Joseph Fioretti, file number 26G306834.
Good morning, Your Honor. Michael James Schloss, 30720.
Okay. Your name.
Anthony Fioretti?
This is going to be a plea to operating while impaired. They're going to dismiss the super drunk. True?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
Is that what you want to do?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. If you plead to operating while impaired, the possible penalties are up to 300 fines, 93 days jail, 360 hours community service. Court costs are all 4 points. License suspension or revocation in accordance with your record, and your vehicle could be or might have to be immobilized depending upon your record. You understand that?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights form here today?
I did, Your
If you
Honor.
plead guilty, you will be giving up all those rights, and there will be no hearing or trial. Do you understand that?
I do, Your
The
Honor.
charge operating while visibly impaired. How do you plead?
Guilty, Your Honor.
Be operating a motor vehicle in the city of Gibraltar on Wilson near North Gibraltar on December 7 of 25 at 11:16 p.m.
I did, Your Honor.
Did you drink alcohol before?
I did.
What did you drink and how much?
Beer.
How many?
At least 1,000 stuff from water.
What else?
Yeah,
Shots?
a couple shots, yeah.
What kind of shots?
Would have been Jameson, whiskey.
And you were involved in an accident?
I had tried to do a U-turn and I landed on the rock. Your Honor.
You had,
He was in a parking lot too.
you think that this happened at least in part because of your alcohol consumption?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes.
Was this a blood draw? It was. Do you stipulate that this reading was accurate? 0.367?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you on probation or parole?
Pretrial services. I have an alcohol tether. After this, I had asked for it.
No. I'm asking you right now, are you on probation or parole?
No.
What about Monroe?
To Monroe, it's pretrial services. It's being dismissed. It's being dismissed no for second.
I don't,
What kind of case is that?
It's not domestic.
Anybody force you to plead guilty or promise anything to induce you to plead guilty?
No, Your Honor.
Did you ever have a prior alcohol related?
2019, Your Honor.
He better get into the sobriety court that I have, or he's going to jail.
this is what you mentioned last time.
Good. I'm glad I'm consistent.
He has, been in treatment, he's been going to AA as well, but, however, he needs to get into sobriety court, he's ready to do that.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you get printed on this case yet?
I did it. After the last case, I went up to.
You ordered him last time.
Who's Thomas Fioretti?
That's my father.
So he's going to get into sobriety court?
I'm not quite sure the mechanics of that. Is that something that goes through probation?
Here's what will happen if you want to do this. And I'm not threatening you. I'm just telling you with this breathalyzer, blood result, I should say, and you having a prior, you're going to go to jail if you don't get into sobriety court.
I understand, Your Honor.
Sobriety court, we put you on bond conditions today. You'd immediately get a sober device. You'd immediately start testing at your own expense right now, 3 times a week. You'd immediately get into treatment. You'd be going to AA, 3-4 times a week, like I ordered you to do before, right? I ordered 4 times or any combination of treatment and AA.
He has been doing that via Zoom. He has notations of that.
I thought I told them in person.
I
I did say in person. I wrote it down even. I don't know why these guys don't listen. Why haven't you been going in person?
Your Honor, I have a 50 to 60 hour week at work, and I have my daughter 4 days a week.
I told you, did I not tell you to go in person? I know I did. Don't waffle on me. I mean, you got a problem here, son. No,
Yes.
I mean, no disrespect.
I understand your.
I don't know why I have to repeat myself and people just change their own, make their own orders. I mean, you can put on the robe if you want. I mean, I guess I could come over there. You can. I'm gonna let it go this time. I'm not gonna let it go again. So let me finish now. You'd be going to AA, NA, in person. You'd be in treatment. You'd be testing 3 times weekly at your own expense. You're on the sober link at your own expense. You'd have to come and meet with probation every other week, and you'll meet with me at a status review, either at 7:30 in the morning on Wednesdays or 3 o'clock in the afternoon on Wednesdays, but I'm gonna move that afternoon session to Tuesdays come May 1st. So you can either come Wednesday morning or Tuesday afternoon, starting in May. We'll put you through a bond phase. If you're compliant, we think you're serious about getting yourself some help, we'll accept you to the program. Our grant funding will be used to pay for your testing, to pay for your sober link. If you have any deductibles, we can help you with that if you're not able to afford it. So at any rate, that's your options. And I'm gonna presume that you're going to go into sobriety court.
I am your.
Okay, good. Sobriety court, but I don't want people in this that are just doing it either for a license or to stay out of jail. I gotta tell you, I've run this program. I'd rather do 90 days than go through sobriety court myself. I would. But that's not the point of it. The point of it is to get you some help so you don't kill yourself or kill somebody else. You get another one in the next 68 years and it's a felony.
Yes, sir.
Okay? So Heather, I'm gonna take a date about 5-6 weeks out, okay?
Will it be one of my council days?
Yeah, we'll give you a date on that. So about the end of April, I'm gonna say early May, maybe.
We have Gibraltar here on May 7th.
How about that day?
Is it a Thursday?
Yes, it is.
That'll be fine.
May 7th at 8:30, okay? But you gotta go meet with probation. Give this a lot of thought. Even if you change your mind, I'd rather you come and tell me now than start the program and fail it.
No, I'm fully committed to the
All
program.
right, well, that's good. Okay, good enough. Good luck. Go down the hall, get your notice, then go meet with probation.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You have Ross?
Yes.
Ross.
Good morning, Your Honor. William Mays. On behalf of Mr. Jalen Ross. Mr. Ross.
I gotta call it though.
Oh.
Jalen Edward Ross, 260-646605 A and B. Your name, sir?
Jalen Edward Ross.
Mr. Mays?
Judge, we have gone through his rights explicitly. He signed and executed an advice of rights form. Prosecuting attorney has agreed to dismiss the original charge of OWI super drunk for an amended count of operating while visibly impaired, dismissing the PBT ticket, and also in the comments to that, which I need a copy of before I leave, they're withdrawing the implied consent refusal under Rule 257-305 sub 4, which is scheduled for next week.
Okay.
Mr. Ross understands the maximum possible penalties and is prepared to plead guilty at this time. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. If you plead guilty to operating while impaired, I'm going to go ahead and dismiss the super drunk and the PBT refusal. I understand your lawyer and the prosecutor have worked this out with regard to the implied consent suspension. The impaired charge will call for, you did stand mute, wait for my reading, right?
Stand mute, wait for him reading.
If you plead the impaired now, operating while impaired, the possible penalties are up to 300 fines, 93 days jail, 360 hours community service, court costs are all 4 points. License suspension or revocation in accordance with your record. Your vehicle could be, or might have to be immobilized depending upon your record. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you sign, read, and understand an advice or rights form here today?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and there will be no trial. Do you understand that?
I understand.
Any questions before we go on? To the charge operating while visibly impaired, how do you plead?
Plead guilty.
Were you operating a motor vehicle on West Jefferson near Sibley in the city of Trent at 2:26 in the morning on February the 7th of 26?
Yes, sir.
Prior to that, did you drink alcohol? And if so, what did you drink and how much did you drink?
Had about roughly 7 to 8 Bud Lights, and following that 5 or 6 Jaeger bombs.
Why were you pulled over by the police?
It was aware to me that I had fallen asleep at a light with my foot on the brake pedal, and then they had woken me up and we pulled over to the side.
And you think you fell asleep, at least in part because of your alcohol consumption?
I believe it isn't drive still. My foot was on.
Yeah.
No, did you fall asleep because of the alcohol?
And that and due to being awake for 25 hours, I was recently shifted to midnights, but that is.
Okay. And when you were, okay, so you were arrested, transported to the police station and administered an intoxilizer, is that?
No, blood test, 0.19.
Blood
Stipulation
test.
purposes.
I'm sorry. Okay, and you'll stipulate that was an accurate reading?
Yes.
Are you on probation or parole, Mr. Ross?
No.
Anybody in the world forced you to plead guilty?
No.
Plea is accepted to impaired driving and dismissing the super drunk. I'm dismissing the PBT refusal. I'm going to order a screening and assessment. You'll go down in the hall, you'll get your court date, which we're going to give you, and then you'll go back over to probation, fill out a questionnaire and be interviewed. I'm going to give you $1,000 personal bond. You don't have to post any money. Here are your bond conditions. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court or violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. No alcohol, no marijuana, no illegal drugs. I want you to attend a 12-step meeting twice a week in person. My court officer is going to get into a form. Every time you go, you have to have that form signed. Every time you come to court, you have to bring that form with you. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I'll give you the court date now. We'll see if this is good with you, Mr. Mays.
Okay.
What do you have for me, Heather?
Judge, we could do, how about April 23rd at 8:30?
Good that day?
23rd. I can't remember. Do I have Gardner here that morning? Is that here? I'm drawing a blank. I've got it.
I think that's next week, isn't it? Or the week after?
The April 23rd, or I'm sorry, which one is he looking for?
23rd is kind of full. I thought for some reason I might have a hearing here already. I've got a 9:15 in Romulus.
I can give you another date. It's not a big deal. What other day do I have with Trenton?
Well, we have April 7th in the afternoon. We're getting kind of full that day.
April 7th in the afternoon? That's my mother's birthday. I want to go to, I don't want to be working too hard that day. I'm gonna go.
Yeah,
home.
we're kind
Take her
of
out to
full that
lunch.
afternoon, Judge. That's why I'm trying to push everything to our next Trenton day, the 23rd.
Can you do the 23rd or not? If you can't, you
I
can't.
can do the afternoon.
We'll do it 1:00.
Okay,
We'll do it April 23rd at 1 p.m. Okay?
thank you.
There was no, actually, Heather, we don't really, there's not gonna be any restitution here. Do you want to just give me a Monday or something?
I can do that, Judge.
Let's just do a Monday.
Or you want to do a Monday, or we could even do on like one of our probation days too, a Tuesday.
Fine, either one.
How about, does April 14th work for you?
How's that?
Sure.
April 14th at 8:30.
Okay.
Okay? All right. Anything else, Mr. Mays?
No, thank you very much, Your Honor.
Have a good day. Good luck, sir. Thank you. And
The judge made it clear that justice is not based on someone's job title or status. When a DUI defendant received special consideration because of his employment, the judge pushed back, demanding facts instead of excuses. The courtroom witnessed a powerful reminder that the law must apply equally to everyone without favoritism or special treatment.